what is inside this networking card. So basically I am searching the white of research what I am to do for my next project. So I find this device, see what is inside, what is a networking first. Let's do a table first. Basically you may know one computer contain several monitors, one CPU contain several monitors and connect with one computer CPU. So in order to drive several monitor in single CPU, we need this type of net and computing device, which came with hand computing card, which I can show in the end of the video. So first at this start, the main card is plugged into the computer and is sit down in the wall. The main RJ44 or Ethernet cable is connected between the CPU to the networking card, this card and computing card, and then it's plugged in a monitor with help of VGA to reach an external mouse, keyboard, and speakers not there to the device. So if there are one computer has several users, CPU has several users, there are several users which can split apart, and each split part, each user drive by a single person with the help of its own mouse or keyboard or its own screen in main CPU. Now open this and see what is inside this, and then try to reverse engineer if it is possible or not. Now this is the 4 pads, which I think there's no any screw there. Maybe this pad and then screws. Now remove one by one pad. First pad is removed. There is a screw over there, but screw is missing. Remove 4 pads. Each of 4 tolerance. And we need a Phillips screwdriver, 5-pin screwdriver to open it. We need to open that. There are 3 screws, 1 screw missing right now. So we need to open carefully screws without falling the screws. Next time, I don't think there's not inside much about of these devices. And you might be thinking one thing, which is I also think there is no power cable. So there's no any power. Let me move us to. There's no power connector to power this device. So there's no any power connection is coming for this device to run this device. This is a mystery thing. This device contains a battery or some sort of battery also. Internally power supply which can drive internal circuitry. So there is no any external power supply. So point is not connected outside of this device. So this thing is literally a mystery, because all the things we see back have a power connector for powering the device. This device have no power connection, no any kind of power supply. Power supply connected it. So how it takes power and how it's work. There's open 4 screws. 1 screw is missing, 2 is open, 1 is left. We need to open, of course. What's the mouth? Now see what is inside. It's open, it is a double-sided board, and I am thinking there inside is assembly board, meaning assembly components. Now pull the board like that way down, and now this is a down. All in assembly. There is a LED, there is a capacitor which values under volt, microfarad and volt, and there is a capacitor which is 16 volt, 220 microfarad, and there is a 2 capacitor which is a 6.8 6.5 microfarad with 16 volts, and there's some assembly components main processor, extra ISP address to program, and there's a couple of resistors, capacitors. Now it's time to reverse engineer and then continue our video. What's pause? Now to the circuit. So this is a basically RJ44 connector, which is method terms are normally 8 pin, only RX pin or TX pin or TX2 pin is connected them, all other pin is empty. So their pins RH1 is connected with resistor or some IC which is unknown value number IC or transistor type pin, which is also connected to the main VGA connector. I accidentally marked also here RJ44, but it is not the VGA connector, and then other three terminals also connected with VGA connector with help of this IC, and this IC other terminal is connected, one terminal is connected to the pin number 2 of this main processor, and other IC or transistor terminal is connected to the pin number 7 of the main processor. And these two IC or transistor package IC or transistor also connected pin number 3, which is blue or blue ground of this VGA segment connector, I mean. And then there is a 2-pin connector for ISP adder, and there are 5 volts also come with these jacks, and then those VGA jack for 2 monitor, then those two this external microphone process smooth, and then step down into a 3.3 volt, which is to this capacitor, which value is missing right now, and then those two parallel USB jacks. I mean, I showed USB jacks. These are jack, mouse and keyboard jack, I mean, and then mouse jack is connected to the data pin, is connected to the pin number and then pin number 33 and 36 is connected ground. 35 or 34 is connected 1 kilo ohm resistor to data and clock signal for keyboard, and mouse is non-linear clock signal, and there are some voltage dividers connected. They were class A amplifiers based on 2 NPN transistor values missing unknown value. These transistor meters are joined together, and base is connected up 54 ohm resistor to the speaker to pull up and pull down by a capacitor and other unknown value capacitor SMT and other 54 ohm resistor to a ground, similar as other one. Both the collectors with the audio jack. This are then 15 ground is also at the LED and the 2 kilo ohm resistor to 5, and ground also has capacitor 1 kilo ohm to the pin number 23, and 2 kilo ohm plus 1 kilo ohm voltage divider between 22, and then this voltage divider output is connected to other 1 K with other 2 K to make to connected to the pin number 19, and then pin number 17, 16 are the capacitor, 15, 14 are empty. I mean 15 is empty, 14 are 12 plus other capacitor, 13 is empty, and this voltage divider output is 2 kilo ohm for internal feedback, and then those 2 resistors to pin number 10, 11 is empty, and then 1 resistor to the pin number 9 to the IC, and this IC is a microprocessor IC. So I did not find any data sheet. This IC number is EPM3064A ICS, and this last amplifier, 8 last setting amplifier, this base is where the 180 kilo ohm resistor instead of 54 ohm resistor, and one is 5 54 ohm resistor with passive ground, and 82 kilo ohm is connected to another voltage divider, which is made of 1 kilo ohm and 2 kilo ohm, which tries the capacitor to smooth, and then this voltage divider divide the signal, then it's amplify, and then those are output. But this system is for pin number 25, and also 25 all other 2 kilo ohm resistors for 26. So this voltage negative plus positive audio left and right signals come 13 or 16, 15 is open, 17 is plus 18, 19 and 30 is at the capacitor. And these are three resistors between 33 to the 1K plus 1K, and then those 31 number pin, and then those other 2K to the 28 pin, and then those two are the terminal of the base of this amplifier, class A amplifier. At first, transistor pin number 54 is connected to this point to somewhere. Also, this pin number 1, which is another pin number 1. So pin number 1. And this is the end of the next video soon.